Hi students, welcome back once again and myself Shumiran sir, and today again I am back with you with your geography map pointing class. So student, I hope all of you are well and you have watched my last video, and on the last video I have shown you some important mountain ranges and hills in India and their exact location on Indian map, as well as we have also discussed few points on the mountain ranges and the hills. And at the end of the video I have given you some questions to solve it. I have told you first of all to solve whatever I have shown on that map, and second the question what is given at the last of the video. So I hope all of you have done it. So those who have done it, please take out the map and recheck it once again as accordingly what I am instructing in this video. And those who have not yet done it, they will also take out one blank map, the color pencils and the pens and the necessary equipments, and practice accordingly. So let's see. So these are the questions. Let's have a recap of this question. Number 1, locate the Karakoram range. Number 2, mark the Nilgiri hill. Number 3, name the southernmost range of the Himalayas. Number 4, locate a range separates North India from South India. Number 5, draw a brown line to mark the Western Ghats. Number 6, mark the Aravalli range. Number 7, mark and locate Himadri. And the last one, number 8, is the mountain range lies along Bay of Bengal in south. So these are the 8 point outs of the question which I have given you to practice. Previously, whatever mountain range and the hills I have shown you in the video, you should practice, and after that according to question you will practice. So in this video we will show you the solution and how to solve it and what are the locations of this exact point once again. So see what are the necessary equipments for the map pointing. So a blank map is required for it, the color pencils and pen, and try to use the color pencil, avoid using watercolor or pencil color, and you should also use pen or you can use pencil, okay, for writing on the map. So now this one is the solved map as per the question or the 8 question which I have given. So let's see one by one and how I have done it, and in this way you will do it. So first of all, see number 1, what is the question? I have told you to mark Karakoram range. So here in the northernmost part of India and the brown line I have marked the Karakoram range. It is present in Ladakh. Okay, at present now it is a Ladakh district. On Ladakh it is present, and I marked it number 1 and written Karakoram range. So next is number 2. Number 2 is I have told you to mark the Nilgiri hills. The Nilgiri hills lies in the southern part of Karnataka and in the northern or western part of Tamil Nadu. So here is the Nilgiri hills and I have marked it and given number 2 and written Nilgiri hills. Next is number 3. Number 3, the question is mark the mountain range or the southernmost mountain range of the Himalayas. So student, you know that Himalaya have 3 parallel range, the Himadri, the Himachal and the Shivalik. So the Himadri is the inner Himalayas, or it is also called the greater Himalaya. Then the middle one is called the Himachal, and the outer one or the southern part which is lying, it is called the Shivalik. So see the Shivalik range, it is forming an arc shape and it is moving or running from west to east in an arc shape, and it is called the Shivalik range. So I have given number 3 with an arrow. I have shown it Shivalik range and I have written on the map. So this one is the Shivalik range. The fourth one, the question is that the mountain range which separates the northern part of India from the southern part. So here you can see the Vindhya range. Vindhya range separates the northern part of India. This part is the northern part and this one is the southern part. So it divides the Mount India, it divides India into two parts. And here another mountain range is also there, Satpura. It is also the same, lying parallel to Vindhya. Any one you can mark. So I have taken Vindhya and given number 4 and marked it. So this one is the Vindhya range. Next one is fifth one, the Western Ghat mountain range. So I have told you the southern part, there are Western Ghat mountain range. It lies parallel to the Arabian Sea, along the coast of the Arabian Sea, and it is one of the important mountain range of India, and maximum it helps in the mechanism of Indian monsoon. It acts as a barrier of monsoon of Arabian Sea branch. So this one is the Western Ghat mountain, and I have marked it as number 5 and written Western Ghats. Okay, here Ghats means the mountain range, so Western Ghats. Next, number 6, I have told, or it is asked in the question, Aravalli mountain range. It is locating in Rajasthan. Its exact location is over here. Okay, and on the western part of it, here over here Thought Desert is located. So this one is the Aravalli range. It is one of the oldest range of our country. Okay, it is much more older than the Himalayan range. So this is one of the oldest range of our country, and you can see the most oldest range during the Gondwana time, and it is called the Aravalli range. And I have told you about Gondwana. It is a part of ancient old landmass, and when you will go in the higher class, I will discuss about it. So see, this one is the Aravalli. Next, the seventh one, I have given one direct question of the Himadri range. So Himachal, Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. These are the three parallel ranges. So it is the northernmost range of Himalaya, and it is also lying an arc shape from west to east and covering the northern part of our country, and it is known as Himadri, and I have given number 7. Okay, so here is an arrow to show this Himadri range. So this range is the Himadri range, where I am showing with the red dot. So mark it properly. Okay, and the last one, the question is the mountain range which lies parallel to Arabian Sea is Bay of Bengal. So the mountain range which lies parallel to Bay of Bengal is the Eastern Ghat. So this is the answer, Eastern Ghat, and I marked it. And over here I have discontinued the range because it is drained by two rivers over here, Godavari and Krishna. Okay, so this is called the Western Ghat mountain range. This is the Bay of Bengal Sea, and it lies parallel to it, and parallel to Arabian Sea lies the Western Ghat. So Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat mountain both are the important mountain range of South India. So it should be practiced properly. So other things I have also shown it on the map, but the selected few of the question which I have given in this video are the solution of this question I have shown you. Now it is your duty to practice it properly. You should take out your map, okay, and you can practice. First of all, you see or watch it and practice. Once or twice you watch it. After that, try to practice it without seeing, so that you are habituated with the situation, or you habituated, and when in the examination the question will come from the map, you can get full marks, or you can score maximum marks on map pointing, because it is a very important part. Okay, so, and as well as it is a compulsory part. So on different topic we are discussing. Okay, previously whatever we have discussed about the rivers. Okay, and on that rivers, I hope that you have already done or practiced the river map, all the important rivers of our country, their tributaries. And on the next one, I have shown you about the important mountain ranges and hills, and the question I have given, and the solution also I will show. And again on the next class we will come back with some different topic, okay, on India, and we will try to solve the questionnaires and the location on Indian map, because India is our own country, and this time I have chosen India for your syllabus, because if you know India properly, you can ultimately locate all the location and position. It will also help you in the map from your history also. Okay, because you are learning Indian history this time in your class 7. Okay, and in geography there are chapters from Africa, okay, some parts of India, and other important parts of different countries of the world. So here you should learn India properly in the map pointing class. Okay, so I hope that all of you have understood what I'm trying to say, and your response is also required. You can mail it, or whatever you have solved it, you can mail to me. Okay, or you can send me through WhatsApp. Okay, so I have already told you in the last class what is my email ID. Okay, again I am repeating my email ID, and you can send your solution of the map, your practice set, in my mail ID. So myself Shomiran sir. So my name is Shomiran Mojumdar. So my ID is also very easy, Shomiran Mojumdar at the rate of gmail.com. SAMIRONMAJUMDAR at the rate of gmail.com. This is my mail ID, and whatever you are practicing at home, you just send it through an mail ID. If you have any queries, any question, you can ask me through this, so that I can make your class more interactive. So thank you all, and today's class up to this much, and have a nice day.